Welcome to the Structural Health Monitoring. We, the students of Vailtech University, have done a project in CSIR Chennai on development of algorithm for dynamic responses in civil structures by wireless sensors. Structural health monitoring has been proving to be a suitable application domain for wireless sensor networks whose technique attempt to autonomously evaluate the integrity of structures, occasionally aiming at detecting and localizing damage. In this work, an algorithm is proposed in multi-programming languages which works in frequency domain, supported by the multi-level information fusion techniques to enable the detection and localization of damage using the raw dynamic response data acquired using wireless networks, and hence use the MATLAB software to implement this code as we have done. Firstly, in the code, image is read which is in the JPEG extension. Given is the desired sheet name, namely sheet 1, sheet 2 or sheet 3 in the Excel. Excel file name and the column name is to be declared for calling properly. Fs is the sample frequency which can be changed as required. Declare the window length. Most importantly, give the transform length. Insert the discrete Fourier transform formulae, which is very important for this dynamic responses of the raw data. This line is for giving the range of frequency which can be the possible input. Next, conjugate the power of discrete Fourier transform. Insert the plot of f, power for plotting x and y axis respectively. Give the start for labeling x axis and y axis. Now label the x axis as frequency and y axis as power. Declare the title to be spectrum.
You will find 5 columns naming A, B, C, D and E, which will have acceleration, power, frequency and the conjugated fast Fourier transform. Values for the real time data. With the help of the column E, a graph is plotted which is called in the first line of the coding. This graph of Excel sheet would look like this. This is how the peak will look with a maximum frequency which is obtained by the peak picking method. The peaks with lower numerical value will not be very much highlighted, but still it can be observed on this graph. This will be the software which will be installed in a wireless sensor device that is mounted on a civil structure whose health is monitored every now and then. The maximum vibration range of frequency which a civil structure could withhold is 0.43 units. This software filters out the lower values and sends an immediate alarm to the system for maintaining the health of the pertaining civil structure for the spontaneous recovery. Low cadre numerical values of frequencies which are filtered is sent as a message or an electronic mail which resembles the importance is low and a chance of being prevention. Thank you for watching this video. Share your likes, ratings and comments.